Hey guys, this is about adding and subtracting rational expressions. Just so you know, I'm really actually here. This is for the 8th honors and the 8th regular class. You guys are doing the same thing here. 8th regular class has been doing really well with this. 8th honors class has been doing okay too. But actually the 8th honors or 8th regular class picked this stuff up really quickly. So props to you guys. But let's work on a problem that is on the homework for the 8th regular class. This is number 37 on page 548. We need to subtract 11 from t over 2t minus 3. Anytime we subtract fractions, we need a common denominator. I can think of this as 11 over 1 to start. Makes it a little bit easier. Our common denominator between 1 and 2t minus 3 is just going to be 2t minus 3. So we need to figure out what we need to multiply this second thing by in order to get a 2t minus 3 on the bottom. Well, if there's just a 1 there, looks like we're going to have to multiply the bottom by 2t minus 3, and that's it. But we can't just multiply the bottom by something because we're going to change the value of the fraction. So we have to multiply the top by the same thing. Now, since we're multiplying by 1, because 2t minus 3 over 2t minus 3 is 1, we're okay mathematically. So we have no issues, and we should be able to do this. So now I have t over 2t minus 3, I'm just moving everything straight down, minus 11 times 2t minus 3, quantity 2t minus 3 I should say, over 2t minus 3. Now I have a common denominator and I can just stick the stuff on the top together. Watch out for the error maker. If I have a negative here, just add the opposite to whatever's next to it now so you don't forget later. In this case, it wouldn't be as tough as if the 11 wasn't here. You have to distribute it to the parentheses. In this case, we're going to distribute the negative 11 to the parentheses when we end up doing it. But for now, it's just 2t minus 3 is our common denominator. So here we have t. Then I'm going to distribute this so it's plus, and then negative 11 minus 2t is negative 22t plus 33. So t minus 22t is negative 21t plus 33 over 2t minus 3. Pretty much done. We should see if we can GCF some out. It looks like I can GCF out a 3. So I'll pull out a 3, and I'm left with negative 7t plus 11 over 2t minus 3. Either of these are correct answers. The book may give you something slightly different. I would like it in this form. It's factored, but either is correct mathematically. Depends on what you're trying to do, how you want to leave it. But either of these are correct answers for this. So basically we were just multiplying the second equation, second expression, the 11, by 2t minus 3 over 2t minus 3 to get a common denominator. There are tougher ones, but this is a good basic one for you guys to look at. Again, page 548 and number 37 in the green algebra book, and these are your final answers, guys. Hope it helped.